What's important to you? How are you feeling about your health? For me, my health is important. I've had different digestion issues as well as skin issues. It has gotten better. I'm still working on it, but it's really uncomfortable when we get an illness, a different health condition, maybe just getting sick or the flu. And we don't want to have that. We don't want to experience that or even noticing others with that. The key is prevention, to look at our nutrition, our lifestyle, and practice all these different habits slowly to have better health. And our digestion and our immune system are connected as well as different other systems that give us symptoms in our body. And I am offering an upcoming 5-day program where we're going to be balancing and strengthening our immune system. There's going to be different seasonal recipes as well as some bonuses and just a fun experience to really delve into looking at your health.